Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. You guys, I've got an unboxing today from a brand called BANISH, and they sent me some goodies in the mail to try, and I'm really excited to see what we got. Mostly skincare, and I requested certain skincare things that I thought I would really like. So I cut open the UPS mailing envelope, but haven't really looked at it. This is the brand, and this is how this is coming packaged. Let's see, this should show it to you really nicely. Like I said, it's called BANISH. So let's go ahead and see if we can get into this. Nicely wrapped. All right, let's see if we can figure this one out. It's got a little... Cool. These are cute. Footies. Okay, we got to do this. Okay, step into the world with confidence. So these were around one of the products. And then the fronts. Super cute. And then you can kind of see their brand name on the side. So pair of footies. And that was around, I have a spatula here, and this product is their Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. So, comes with a spatula to use. Let's take a look at this. Does have a safety seal. I don't really get any kind of particular fragrance scent from that, so that's nice. Let's see if we can pop this off and take a look. First time to get these open is usually pretty, there we go, a little difficult. Okay. I mean, you can smell something, but there's no strong fragrance, which is good. Fragrance is definitely not a good thing in skincare. And it's really nothing I can recognize. So the product obviously is a little messed up in here because it's been banging around in the mail and then banging around in my car, but it is just, I kind of got a mess going here. A little white cream there. So that's nice. I'm going to use a little dab of it off the safety seal. Again, I can smell product, but I can't identify what it is. I'm going to go ahead and rub it into my skin right here. See what that feels like. So I'll be trying these and let you guys know what I think. Yeah, it's nothing I can really identify as a particular fragrance. So I don't think they particularly put any particular fragrance in here to make it smell like anything. It's very faint. So again, this is the Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. Feels very nice on the skin, and it's absorbing in very quickly. So that's nice. Okay, let's see what else. Oh my goodness, lots of stuff. Okay, lots and lots of stuff to unbox here. So this is what it looks like, guys. Really full. Got another product again. This is, you know, very nicely packaged. So let's take a look. I think it's very cute that they wrapped, you know, that eye cream in a pair of socks. It's cute, very cute marketing. Super neat idea. Okay. Next item is their vitamin C cream. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this. As you guys know, vitamin C creams and serums and things should be in a dark item that is going to keep the product away from any kind of natural or artificial light. So that's awesome. Let's take a look at this. Also has a safety seal. You can see it's a little goopy there because I bumped it. Yeah, I'm getting this to come right off my... Of course, now my hands are slippery. This one does have a little bit of a fragrance to it. Ooh, goodness. Okay. I'm making a mess. As I said, these products were kind of banging around in the car on the way back from the post office. So, again, just nice safety seal. We're just going to use a little bit of this on my back of my hand. It smells good. I guess took a little bit too much. So vitamin C is a really good antioxidant. It can actually help your SPF, your sun protection factor, work more effectively. Absolutely is wonderful for the skin. This has a nice scent to it. You know, maybe a little floral. Doesn't smell citrusy per se, but This is also going into the hand really nicely, starting to really absorb quickly, so that's good. Let's keep going. We've got another item, again, nicely wrapped. Oh, this is probably why they're a mess. I just keep throwing them. Okay, this one is their pumpkin enzyme mask, and you guys know I've used other brands' pumpkin enzyme products, and I like it. I don't have a problem with pumpkin, but I understand some of you might. This is an alpha hydroxy acid exfoliating mask. It lightens your dark spots. I got sunspots. Provides an instant glow in 10 minutes. So that's awesome. Let's see if this smells like pumpkin. If I can get it open. My hands are getting increasingly slippery. I'm starting to smell like everything else. There is a little bit of a scent of something, but I can't tell what it is because I got other scents on my hands. You can kind of see the orange from the pumpkin. Sort of. I can see it. Yep. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Definitely looks like pumpkin. Smells nice. So again, they just sent me samples. I'm going to take a little bit on my hand. And we're going to go ahead. I'm starting to run out of places on the back of this hand, but it's an alpha hydroxy acid. It's a brightening mask. It's supposed to help with dark spots. I've got all kinds of sun damage on my skin. So I'm going to just rub it in. Kind of see my hand is turning a little orangey. I'm going to rub this in. And then once we're done making this video, I can go ahead and wash it off. But we'll see if this helps with all my dark sunspots. Okay, next item, also nicely packaged. I'm sure I'll send it flying. Okay, this is their fighter gel calming. This will calm breakouts and any kind of eczema issues, is what they're saying. So if you have issues, acne issues, or you're having issues with eczema, this is their product they recommend. Also, safety seal. I appreciate that. These products are sealed. It's a clear, like a clear gel. Ooh, it smells divine. Okay, this one has a minty, mentholy minty fragrance scent to it. I love that. Got a little on this finger. I'm going to just put it on the back of this hand. That smells good. Okay, it's immediately absorbed really nicely into the hand. I like that. Oh, I love the smell. Okay, we're going to keep going. There's some items in here. Just some shipping information. Okay, so we've got, this looks like a dropper bottle. Again, nicely safely wrapped. See if I can get this out. This is a dropper, some sort of serum, I think. Oh, come on. Let's see if we can get it out. There it comes. Okay. So this is their retinol and ceramide serum. I love retinol and I love ceramides. Topical ceramides make your skin feel so good. This is a resurface and restore and replenishes your skin barrier. I'm eager to try that. Retinol, you guys, anti-aging, it's amazing. Got to incorporate that as soon as you can into your skincare routine. And I love the topical ceramides. They're so wonderful. Okay, we've got another item here. This is their pore shrinking toner. So that's a nice bottle, and they've got a nice saying, I can, I will, I got this, I can do this, I'm brave, I'm a warrior, I'm confident in my skin. That's awesome. This bottle is 120 milliliters, it says. So let's see how this works. It looks like, oh, look at that. It's got a little watermelon. So, oh, I like that. So you push down on here with like a cotton round or a little something, and it will dispense into this to absorb into your cotton round. So that's nice. I like dispensers that are like that for things like toner. Okay, what else do we have here? Let's see. These look like makeup remover wipes or something. Oh no, this is cool. So this is like a little, it's a bag with some items in it. Confidence in my skin. This is great. I will put information down below on these products. I am working with them to get a discount code available if you guys want to use it. It'll be an affiliate code on their site. Okay. Let's see what this has to say in here. Okay, this is the Banisher 3.0. Okay, so change your Banisher head regularly to maintain effectiveness. Okay, interesting. How to use the Banisher. So that kit is called the Banisher. Always start with a thoroughly cleansed skin and hands. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is an actual, like, something you use on your skin. It's a micro needling tool. So basically the instructions kind of explain to you how to sterilize and make sure everything is clean and safe to use. I'm really excited to use this. So there's your micro needling tool, and this is going to be your product, I believe. Gotta get out. See if I can get it to come out without, well, still gotta tear it, guys. Okay, so this is the serum. It is the Banishing Serum. It is a dark spot corrector with vitamins E and C. So more good vitamin E and C. So you're going to microneedle this in. So this is a kit that they're selling. Comes with instructions, again, how to use it, how to keep it clean and sterile. Obviously, we're talking microneedling. You're talking about little needles going in your face. You need to make sure you have clean skin and very clean applicator. So again, it comes with some instructions on this. You have to be careful when you microneedle that you're not overdoing it. You can actually do a lot of damage if you just go crazy and are constantly microneedling. So they talk about that in the instructions here. Rotating the areas and how long you microneedle. So that's awesome. So this is their microneedling kit. So that's awesome. I am excited to try that. I really am, guys. So it's nice. It comes in a little zippered bag. Okay, so the product line is from the company BANISH. Lots of skincare. Like I said, I'm going to have information down below. I'm going to have an affiliate code for you guys. Here is a little starter kit. They sell all this online for you to go in and try certain things. They talk about when to use the products. So the fighter gel, when to use it. Let's see if I can find that. Here we go. Okay, so the fighter gel, this is this one here. Apply a small amount to the fighter gel on areas of eczema redness or on breakouts 1 to 2 times a day, and you leave it on. You use this after cleansing and after all your other serums, but before creams, oils, or sunscreen. Okay, so after your serums, but before your sunscreen, your creams, and your oils. Okay, and then we've got, let's talk about, what is the next one? Oh, yep, I grabbed it and put it down. The pumpkin enzyme mask. You use this 1 to 3 times per week. They said don't use it after using the Banisher, okay, which is, it's because it's got alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs in it, right? The HA in the mask it's an exfoliant. This is best for textured and congested acne-prone skin. Skin may tingle on the first minute or 2, which is normal. Honestly, my hand feels really great. It does have just a little tingle to it, so nothing crazy. The Banisher, which is the kit. So you use that once every 1 to 2 weeks. It's going to reduce the appearance of acne scars, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. With the serum, you know, it is not for acne. Do not use it over acne pimples. Again, it's a microneedler. Best use at night. Since there's no makeup, you shouldn't put makeup on after microneedling. You should wait at least 8 hours after using the Banisher before you put any kind of makeup on. So use it at night and go to bed and sleep for 8 hours, right? Okay, the next one they got is the serum. Let's see if this one, I believe it's so. You use this after using the Banish. Oh, actually, I think it's probably the serum in here. Use it after the Banisher as part of your daily night routine after cleansing. Apply it as a moisturizer after you need it. The vitamin C cream, which is this one. Oh, where did I go with it? This one here. It's heavy. Use it daily in the morning, night, or after the banisher, brightening moisturizer for radiant skin. Again, vitamin C is really good to use in conjunction with your SPF. It will boost the effectiveness of your SPF. So yeah, common acne causing foods to consider for eliminating to calm down your acne. Any dairy products, processed sugars, high glycemic index foods, sugar. They got a little commonly asked questions in here, a little thank you note. So pretty cool. Obviously, you guys, you use pore shrinking. It's a toner. You use your toner after cleansing and before you start all your other skincare routines. So yeah, and these are so cute, you guys. Love that. I think that's super cute. And let me show you the front again. Great idea. Neat little marketing gimmick. So thank you to the brand for letting me try these. Obviously, you guys, I just got them. I got to take some time to try them, but I am really eager to use them. My hand actually feels a little tingly. It feels actually very nice, but I'll go wash that off. Everything else immediately soaked in. I don't even know it's there. It feels nice. My hands feels like super smooth. So I'm excited to try this stuff. I appreciate it. Like I said, I will have a link down below on where you can get this. It'll be an affiliate code. When I get that, I will put that in the description. And then hopefully I can follow up, with letting you guys know how this works. Okay. I probably have to use it for a couple weeks, but I'm looking forward to it. So, all right. Thanks guys for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, I do appreciate you guys using any affiliate links that I do have. It does help support the channel. Let me know if you got questions. Okay. All right. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.